Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Fords 98 to 03 Ranger. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's hitch, bumper, and bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. If you don't intend on replacing your spring hanger, you will need to remove the existing hanger by drilling out the 4 rivets. We recommend sandblasting it and cleaning the cross member free of rust before reinstalling it. Push the spring down and out of the way. Step 5. Push the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 6. Place the part onto the frame and install the included hardware to help with alignment and weld spacing. Begin welding it around all edges and slots. Next, reinstall your hanger. Finally, reassemble your vehicle, and you're done.